Hi, I'm Kendall Foss, the Service Advisor at Kupper Subaru in Mandan, North Dakota. Flat tires are bound to happen in life. Knowing how to change a tire will save you time and money in the future. Here's what you need to get started. You need a tire iron, a jack, and a spare tire. First of all, you'll have to make sure the emergency brake is set. You're on a flat surface and you have enough room to change the tire. Okay, next you'll have to take your tire iron and loosen your lug nuts to the left or counterclockwise about 2 turns. Loosen the remainder lug nuts, but remember not to take them completely off. Next, place the jack underneath the frame of the vehicle by the flat tire. Check your owner's manual for proper placement of the jack, and then slowly jack the vehicle up. The remaining lug nuts off the vehicle, off the tire, and then remove the tire. You're ready to put the spare on. Make sure the valve stem end is out. Put in like so. And then install your lug nuts. Make sure you get all the lug nuts snug with the tire off the ground. And then tighten them. Once you have the lug nuts all snug, you can lower the tire. Make sure your tire pressure is set to the tire reading on the sidewall of the tire. Spare tires are only meant to be driven limited distances, so make sure you see your Subaru dealer as soon as possible to get the tire refixed. Be sure to visit us on the lot or online for more tutorials or information on service.